Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Englishside, your go-to channel for learning English. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss an update. You can also visit our playlist to see our video collection. Right, everyone. In this video, it's different. We are diving into an essential topic for today's world. I know this topic is actually for my students who are taking digital literacy in English language teaching. But yeah, it's welcoming all of you who needs this kind of topic. The topic is about digital literacy, everyone. We are going to talk about what exactly it is and why it is so important for us. Let's break it down together. What is digital literacy? Let's talk about the definition first. So, we have an idea of the foundation of digital literacy. So, basically, in a basic definition, digital literacy means having the right digital skills to achieve our goals. Yeah, it's simple. Whether it's for work, study, or personal projects, these skills help us navigate the digital world effectively. Also, it's also about using digital technology effectively in our daily lives. You can think about how often you use your mobile phone, or your computer, or other devices, whether it's for checking emails, browsing social media, or even shopping online. Yeah, but digital technology isn't about um, just using technology. It's about applying digital skills to achieve specific objectives. For example, maybe you use tools like Microsoft Excel to organize data or any kind of apps to plan your day effectively. Yeah, basically understanding digital literacy is the first step. Is the first step to making the most of technology in our lives. As we go through this journey, let's explore how we can sharpen these skills and use them to reach our goals more effectively. Now, let's take a quick look at how the concept of digital literacy has evolved over time. While it might seem like a modern idea, discussions about digital literacy actually go back several decades. Back in 1990s, digital literacy was defined as the ability to understand and use information in multiple formats from a variety of sources when it is presented via computers, and particularly through the medium of the internet. So, actually, this definition, introduced by Paul Gister, cited in Paul 1997, highlights the early focus on simply being able to access and process information online. Remember, simply being able to access and process information online. That's it. However, a technology ad- as I, sorry however, as technology advanced, the meaning of digital literacy also expanded. According to Jenkins 2015, literacy is about more than just acquiring basic computer skills. It's about how we use technology to solve problems, communicate effectively, and interact in a digital world. Again, I emphasize that digital literacy isn't just about knowing how to operate a computer or browse the internet. It's about making the most of digital tools to think critically, collaborate, and adapt in an ever-changing digital landscape. So, what exactly is digital literacy? We've explored its history and key aspects, but let's sum it up in a simple way. Right. In a nutshell, digital literacy is the ability to effectively discover, evaluate, harness, cultivate, and employ information within digital media, communication technologies, or networked contexts. Okay, this means more than just using technology, right? It's about like finding the right information, assessing its credibility, making the most of it, adapting to new tools, and applying it in meaningful ways. Whether you are researching, communicating, or solving problems, digital literacy helps you navigate today's digital world with confidence. In short, being digitally literate isn't just about using technology, remember, isn't just about using technology. It's about using it wisely and effectively. Now, here's a question for you. How do you currently use digital technology in your life? Take a moment to think about it. You might be surprised by just how much technology is part of your routine. I will be waiting for your answers in the comment box below, so feel free to drop it.